Ever noticed delicate, feathery patterns on your window during a cold morning? These natural ice sculptures, called frost patterns, form when water vapor in the air lands on a chilly surface and instantly freezes. The intricate designs depend on temperature, humidity, and even microscopic dust. As ice crystals grow, they branch out in mesmerizing, often symmetrical shapes, much like miniature ferns or leaves. The tiniest change in air or surface can alter the entire design, making every frost pattern a unique and fleeting masterpiece crafted by nature's invisible hand.